Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to solve a Rubik's Cube like this, all solved. So I'm going to be teaching you the first step of solving a Rubik's Cube. Now let's get into it. Okay, so the first part of solving a Rubik's Cube is to make a daisy. It is pretty easy. So what you have to do is you have to find the yellow center. And see these edges, the white edges, you have to put them on top. So you have to replace this, and replace this. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So if there is an edge right here, you have to turn it, and then you have to turn it to the other side where there's not an edge. And then after, put it up. And there's another edge. And if there's one on the bottom, like this, what you have to do is you have to turn it until there's an open spot that could go up. So if I turn this twice, it could go right here, like this. So like this. So once you get the white daisy, you can move on to the next step. Okay, step 2 is to make the white cross. Now the white cross isn't that hard to make. So what you'll need to do is, see this blue right here? Turn it until you find the blue center, and then turn this 2 times until it's right here. Keep on doing that. Turn it, and then turn it until you find the green center, and then turn it twice. Turn it again. It's already on the red. Turn it twice. And then it's orange. Turn it, turn until you find the orange. And then on the bottom you will have a white cross. Let's get into the next step. Okay, so the white cross is on the bottom. Leave it on the bottom and let the yellow center face up towards you. Now, the next step is to find white corners without yellow. So white, blue, and orange. We have to find the blue and orange centers. So turn. These are not the blue and orange centers. These two are not the blue and orange centers. Turn again. These are not the blue and orange centers. Turn again, but these are the blue and orange centers. Okay, so what you do next is you do an algorithm. So do this algorithm. R, U, R prime, U prime. And then do it until this corner is where it's supposed to go. And do it again, so like this. These are not the orange and green centers. Turn it. But these are the orange and green centers. But let's say if you have to do it 5 times. If you do have to do the right algorithm 5 times, do this. So you turn it right here. The corners right here, and then do a left algorithm. And the left algorithm is L prime, U prime, L, U. And then do that until you get upside down T's like this. Upside down T, upside down T, upside down T, and upside down T. Let's move on to the 4th step. Okay, the 4th step is to put all these edge pieces where it needs to go. Okay, so find an edge piece with like this, with no yellow. So what you have to do is you have to turn the top until you find the color that is matching with the center. See this orange? Put it, and the orange is over here. But don't twist it towards it. Twist it away from it, where the red is. So now what you have to do is you have to do the left algorithm. But do not turn your Rubik's Cube when it is away. So if you have it, just turn it away and then do the left algorithm. So once you do the left algorithm, turn your cube away from the corner where the orange center is, and then do the right algorithm. Now let's say if you have orange, this center right here, and you have to turn it this way. Then you do the same thing, just mirrored. Do the right algorithm first. Turn the cube and do the left algorithm. Turn the cube away from the center. Turn the cube away from the edge piece that where it was supposed to go away, and do, it's basically mirror. Now let's say if there's edge right here and you can't put it. So this is what you do. You just have to do this. You have to do the right algorithm and then do the left algorithm. And then it's out. It's right here. So now, let's move on to the 5th step. Okay, so once you've done that, you will have the weight solved, and all the bottom layer and the middle layer will be completely full. Now it's time to solve the the yellow cross. Here's what you do. So what you do is you put the yellow center so it's facing up, and then you turn the front face clockwise, and then do the right algorithm once. And then turn it back. And then you will have your white cross. Now let's say if it's at an L shaped, then what you have to do is you have to put your Rubik's Cube like this, so it's like 9 o'clock. And then you do the right algorithm 2 times. 1, 2, and then turn it back. And then you have that. Now let's say if there's only the center there. What you do is you turn it, and you do it 2 times again, and then you turn it back. And then you have the straight line, and then put it horizontal, and then turn it again clockwise, the front face clockwise, and then do the right algorithm once, and you'll have a cross. This is it for the first video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that hit the notification bell for more videos. And if you want the next step. So I'll see you later. Bye guys.